This is how you create a lava effect inside After Effects. You're going to go new, solid, okay. Then add a fractal noise. Change the noise type to spline and the contrast to 300. The brightness to -40. And then untick uniform scaling. Change the width to 135 and the scale height to 450. The complexity to 8.8. And then option click the evolution and type time asterisk 300 in the expression box and click away. And then keyframe the offset turbulence on frame 1, move to the end and then move it down. So we have this sort of gushing effect. Add a tint, change the colors to sort of a fiery orange. And we'll do a dark red as well. Then we'll add a glow, change to AB colors. And then again, choose some fiery colors. About 20 threshold, radius about 94, intensity about 1.2. And then to get rid of these borders where the glow's sort of clipping, I'm just going to scale it up, press S on my keyboard and just scale the solid up. And then finally, add a turbulence displace. So I went with amount 27, size 21, complexity 1.2. And then option click evolution and type the expression time asterisk 5,000 and click away. Voila, there we have it, a lava effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.